Jim? Jim! Where's Jim?
We couldn't get him out.
Valerian. You left him behind!
Stand down! Let him go, Kerrigan. Valerian is helping us.
There is no us.
IFF negative. Multiple hostiles inside the perimeter.
Scramble attack response squads 3 through 9. Hull breach! Frame 7, deck 3! Defensive maneuver Delta 4. Prep all stations for jump.
No one is going anywhere until I see Jim.
Shields at 30. Failure imminent.
Dominion fleet, this is Hyperion. Cease fire. Crown Prince Valerian is aboard.
My father will sacrifice any piece on the chessboard to take the queen.
We have to jump now. We'll lead them away and circle back for Jim.
Decompression.
Sarah!
Ceiling
We need to work together.
Do what you want. I'm going to find Jim.
Kerrigan, before we jumped, Hyperion tracked multiple Dominion signatures headed down to the surface. You're gonna have a surprise party down there.
Scanning. Detecting Dominion forces and a Zerg hive cluster.
Yeah, there must be an old hive here. I'm more worried about the Dominion.
Ground team, this is Fleet. What is your status? Fleet, our base is set up, and the track and pulse cannon is almost online. Roger that. Eliminate all stragglers as they warp to these coordinates. We'll return for you. Fleet out.
That cannon will take out Jim's ship as soon as he enters orbit. He'll never see it coming. Set course for the Zerg hive cluster. I need an army. I can sense a mind controlling this brood. Who are you?
My queen, I am Nakjul, a brood mother. You created us to extend your control of the swarm. Have you returned to us?
I'm not your queen, and I haven't returned. But I need your brood to destroy the Terran cannon right now.
Most of my brood is with me. I can send them to you, but it will take time.
Then send them. When they arrive, we'll tear down that cannon before Jim gets here. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare this hive for combat. The Dominion would have tracked my ship, and they'll be looking for me. Ready for action? On the same? Okay. Let's see if I can remember how to do this. The first thing I need is a spawning pool. Sweeping.
We require more minerals.
Say again? This is Kerrigan.
Command, we've found Kerrigan. She's holed up in a Zerg base. We're going in. Send reinforcements.
The Dominion found us. They're going to hit us hard. Work to be... I remember spine crawlers. I can mutate them from drones.
Your brood can harvest Vespine at maximum efficiency if you order 3 drones to the extractor. We require more minerals. We require more minerals. We require more. When the Dominion arrived, they drove some of my brood into caves. They will rejoin us if we can kill the Terran soldiers guarding the cave entrances.
Say again? Sweeping. Right. Safety's off.
A queen would be very useful for fighting the Terrans. You can birth a queen at the hatchery.
Safety's off. Covering ground. Right. Heading out.
Stand back up! Being attacked! Need backup!
Sweeping. I gotcha. Yeah, I hear you. Heading out.
Come out of hiding, Zerglings! Fight for your queen!
Ready for action. Pushing ahead. Heading out. This is Kerrigan.
Spawn more overlords.
What is it? I gotcha. Pushing ahead. Sweeping. Heading out. Safety's off.
There are more Zerglings in this cave, my queen.
Dominion approaching from the north. Safety's off.
Our forces are under attack.
Covering ground. This is Kerrigan. Work to be done. Right. Heading out. On the same page.
The Dominion's base is formidable. You will need to morph more combat units to destroy it.
Say again? Safety's off. Yeah, I hear you. Work to be done.
Our forces are under attack.
This is Kerrigan. Say again? Pushing ahead. Covering ground.
You have recovered part of the brood. Rise, my children.
Safety's off. Right. Work to be done. What is it? Say again? This is Kerrigan. Safety's off.
There is a large Dominion force on its way to the Hive Cluster.
Say again?
Our forces are under attack. there more Zerglings in this cave, my queen?
Right.
Our forces are under attack.
Heading out.
The Hive Cluster is under attack. More of my Zerglings! The brood grows stronger! Our forces are under attack.
What is it? Pushing ahead. On the thing.
Our forces are under attack. Our forces are under attack.
Work to be done. On the same page.
The worms are tunneling to you right now. My brood will be there soon.
I gotcha. Pushing ahead. Yeah, I hear you. Covering ground. Say again? Right. Heading out. This is Kerrigan. Work to be done. I got you. Ready for action.
Only a short time before my Nidus worms bring reinforcements.
Covering ground. Say again? Heading out.
The Hive Cluster is under attack. Our forces are under attack. Our forces are under attack.
Work to be done.
My brood has come! They are yours to command, my queen!
Perfect. Now let's get up to their base and destroy that cannon before Jim arrives.
If you wish to command all of your forces in battle, there is a way to control them all at once.
Pushing ahead. Covering ground. Say again? Heading out.
Zerg! Defend the cannon!
I have arrived. All of my brood is here to serve you.
Kill them all. No one gets out alive.
Yes, the Queen has returned. Kill the Terrans.
The Queen? You're right. I was slipping back into something that... I have to get out of here.
We will await your return.